Are you struggling with the many greetings in French and unsure which one to use to sound polite? Today I'm going to share with you quick lessons on French greetings that will leave you feeling much more confident when you go to greet someone in French. Let's begin with the absolute basics, the ones you'll hear every single day. Bonjour. This means good day or just hello. You can use this with pretty much anyone during the day. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Salut. This is informal. Use it with friends, family, or people your age. Think of it like saying hey or hi. Let's repeat. Salut. Bonsoir. This one means good evening. You use it once the sun is going down. Let's repeat. Bonsoir. A quick example here is if you're meeting your neighbor in the morning, you would say bonjour. Later on, if you text your friend, you'll start with salut. And in the evening at dinner, you'll say bonsoir. Easy, right? Now, timing is everything in French. Bonjour is usually used from morning until late afternoon. Around 5 or 6 p.m., people switch to bonsoir. Now, bonne nuit means good night, but you only use it when someone is actually going to bed. You wouldn't walk out of a restaurant at 11 p.m. saying bonne nuit to the waiter. That would sound strange. For a mini practice here, if it's 3 p.m. and you walk into a shop, what would you say? You would say bonjour. Next, it's 8 p.m. at a dinner party, and what would you say? Bonsoir. And third, you're tucking your child into bed, what would you say? Bonne nuit. Next, how do you ask how are you? Here's where I'll test you a little. I'll give you the English meaning first, and then you try to guess the French phrase before I reveal it. Ready? The first one, how's it going? In French, this is comment ça va? Next, how are you? But polite for a stranger or colleague. Comment allez-vous? And now, here are some other common answers that you can use to answer how's it going if somebody asks how you're doing. You could use ça va bien, which means I'm good, pas mal, meaning not bad, comme ci, comme ça, which means so-so, or if you wanted to be more formal, you could say je vais bien, merci. Et vous? And that means I'm doing well, thank you. And you? Let's practice together. I'll ask you, comment ça va? And you can answer, ça va bien. If this video is helping you feel more confident with French, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps others find this video. And if you want quick, no-fluff French lessons this week, don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend who's also learning. French has some fun, casual greetings too. The first one I'd like to share with you here is coucou. Super informal, usually between close friends or with kids, like saying, hey there. You could also say, ça roule, literally, is it rolling? But it means, how's it going in a chill way. If you wanted to use some teen slang, you could also say, yo, or salut mec. But I recommend sticking to salut or coucou unless you're super comfortable. These will make you sound less textbook and more natural. Now, I'm going to give you a few cultural do's and don'ts as a quick survival guide. Number one would be always start with a greeting before asking for something. In France, if you walk into a shop and just say, "Excuse me," without bonjour, it can come across as rude. Always lead with bonjour. Number two, the cheek kiss, la bise. Friends and family often greet with kisses on the cheek. The number depends on the region, but don't worry. As a learner, a polite handshake or just bonjour is perfectly fine. Number three, vous versus tu. With strangers, colleagues, or older people, stick with vous. With close friends, family, or children, you can use tu. This is why comment allez-vous is formal and comment ça va is informal. Now for a quick quiz before we finish. How do you say good evening in French? That's right, bonsoir. If you enjoyed this and want to keep learning, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who's learning French too, and check out my other French tip videos, which I'll have linked on screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.